What if the 2026 Toyota Sequoia's hybrid system actually slashes your fuel bill enough to offset that premium price tag over time? Owners are discovering surprising long-term savings on gas and maintenance compared to traditional V8 full-size SUVs. Welcome back to AeroNext Auto, where we break down real-world ownership for American drivers. Today we're diving into the 2026 Toyota Sequoia, the hybrid-only full-size SUV that's turning heads with its iForce Max powertrain. If you're cross-shopping big three-row haulers and worried about costs, stick around because we're covering everything from real pricing to fuel savings that matter in U.S. daily driving. The 2026 Sequoia builds on Toyota's redesign with subtle but meaningful upgrades focused on premium feel and efficiency. Every model now runs the iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid, delivering 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque, plenty for towing up to 9,520 pounds when equipped right. That's without the thirsty V8 feel of older competitors. On the road, it shines in family hauling and highway cruising. The hybrid setup provides smooth power delivery and better low-end torque for merging or trailering. EPA estimates hit up to 21 to 24 miles per gallon city highway for 2WD trims, around 22 combined, a solid jump over non-hybrid rivals in the full-size class. Real-world owners report mid-teens in heavy towing, but low 20s on mixed driving, a win for anyone logging highway miles or family road trips. Inside, the updates emphasize comfort. Available power-folding third-row seats standard across trims, larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and refined materials that feel upscale without going over the top. Off-road fans get TRD Pro with new color options and capability, but most buyers stick with SR5 or Limited for value. Reliability remains a Toyota hallmark. Fewer moving parts in the hybrid system mean potentially lower long-term maintenance versus traditional engines. Add Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 standard, and it's built for peace of mind on American roads. Addressing the big buyer fear, yes, the 2026 Sequoia starts higher than some gas-only competitors, but the hybrid efficiency helps justify it for long-term owners. In the United States, pricing begins at around $64,825 MSRP for the SR5 2WD. Real-world deals often 1 to 3K below depending on region or dealer. Limited jumps to about $70,595, while top trims like Capstone or TRD Pro reach $84,000 to $88,000 fully loaded. Trim differences. SR5 gives essentials with strong value. Limited adds luxury like leather and bigger wheels. Platinum, 1794, and Capstone bring premium audio, panoramic roof, and ventilated seats for those wanting near luxury. Canada pricing aligns similarly but in CAD, roughly 10 to 15% higher equivalent due to market demand. The cost-saving angle, that hybrid powertrain delivers better real-world MPG than V8 rivals, potentially saving hundreds yearly on fuel for average U.S. drivers, 12 to 15K miles. Over 5 to 7 years, it offsets much of the upfront premium versus comparable non-hybrids. If you're eyeing a capable, efficient family hauler that holds value and cuts pump visits, the 2026 Sequoia deserves a test drive. Drop your thoughts below. Are you going for the TRD Pro or keeping it practical with SR5 or Limited? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real ownership breakdowns on AeroNext Auto. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.